With this remedy, you don't need any eyeglass and you don't need any eye drop. Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be making this remedy that will keep your eyes looking so, very healthy. So with this, you don't need any eyeglass and you don't need any eye drop. So in case you are new here and have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So guys, I'll be using natural ingredients in this remedy. They are purely natural and very healthy. So you want to improve your eyesight, you want to make your eyes look so younger, and to get rid of eye puffiness, dark under eye circle. You want to improve the white part of your eyes, like make your eyes looking so whitish. This remedy will help you so much. In case you have pains in the eyes or you want to get rid of cataracts, this remedy will help you so much. It's going to help to strengthen your eyes, prevent free radical damage harming your eyes, and also help to make your eyes looking so stronger, healthier, and very healthy. Alright, so you want to know the ingredients I use here, you want to know how to make it for better results, you want to know how to use it for better results, just keep watching. Okay, so do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video as well. So let's go straight into this remedy now. So to improve your eyesight, to get a clearer vision, to get rid of puffiness, to protect your eyes against sunlight, you surely need cucumber. Cucumbers are very good for your eyes and better visions, thanks to its potassium and vitamin A content and the high water content that helps in reducing eye swelling, puffiness, and tired looking eyes. So it's also a very good immune booster. So this is what you need in case you want to see clearly, you want to see in the dark. If you have short visions, this will help you a lot. It's going to help to protect your eyes against sun damage. So after washing it, you have to cut it into smaller size. The next ingredient we have here is tomatoes. Tomatoes are very good for you, very good for the skin, very good for your health. They are a resource of lycopene, vitamin A and C, helps to take care of the retina of the eyes, ensures your eyes are looking so healthy, and whitens the white part of the eyes as well. So the lycopene with other antioxidants helps to protect your eye from light damage. So this is a very good antioxidant that will help a lot to protect your eyes, improve your vision. If you have not been eating this, you have to start eating it, okay? So I always love chewing my tomatoes a lot. I will just wash it and eat it raw like this. I love it so much. And it has been helping so much. You see it on your skin. Your skin will look so clear. And your eyes will look so strong and whitish. So this is very good for you. You have to wash it and cut it like this, so which I'm going to transfer in here. Transfer it into your blender because I'm going to blend it. Yeah, we're going to be making a drink. So I'll just add little water to enable it to blend well. So I'll just quickly go straight and blend it. I'll be right back. So after blending it, I'm going to strain it out. Look at it. Okay, I'll just strain it out. thing to do is to transfer it into a glass cup. Look at it. It looks so good, very healthy for you. It's going to help to take care of your eyes. It will keep the health of the eyes very healthy and strong. So this is what you need in case you are having eye problems, okay? So I also have one more ingredient which I'm going to add in here. So my next ingredient is honey. Honey is also a powerful antioxidant full of vital compounds, improve your eyesight and a clearer eyes. So it helps to protect your eyes from free radicals. So doing that, your eyes are going to look so healthy, very clear. If you're having itchy or painful eyes, it will help to take care of it. And if your eyes are so red or colorish, this will help so much to clarify to whiten the white part of your eyes. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of it. If you are going to make a large quantity, all you have to do is just to get more ingredients, double the ingredients, okay? So remember to get organic honey. A pure honey is always the best, especially if you want to make a drink or you want to drink it, okay? So after adding it, you have to mix it like this. Mix it very well, okay? So guys, this is what you need to improve your vision, to have a clearer eyes, to whiten your eyes, to take care of your eyes, okay, against free radicals. So it's going to protect your eyes from sunlight that is so harmful to your eyes, okay? So this is all you need. With this, when you start taking this, you don't need to use any eyeglass. Yes, you don't need any eyeglass anymore. You don't need eye drop. So these are all natural ingredients. You just have to be consistent with it for a very good result. Take it in the morning, take it in the afternoon, take it at night, anyhow you want it. It's better to enjoy the shoe because you get the sweetness. So yeah, you just make a large quantity and store it in the fridge, and you're good to go. Anytime you want to take it, just bring it out, pour it into the glass cup and enjoy your drink. So refreshing. This will as well help to take care of your skin. It will protect your liver, protect your organs. Yeah, it's going to make you also to be in the mood. If you're a woman, it's going to keep you in the mood, like improve all your, it just keep you wet all through the day. So this is a very good one for you to have a clearer skin, to improve your vision and to just glow all through. So guys, that is all for now. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you are not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. I'll see you next time.